This is just a short video to demonstrate one way of creating a frame for your videos using Camtasia and Paint.net. When I say frame, I mean this bit around the video here. And this frame allows you to zoom in on your video while remaining in place and obscuring parts of the screen. To do this, first open your image in Paint.net. Make sure your image is the resolution you want, in my case 920 by 1080p, and then create a new blank image of the same size. Then choose a colour that's not part of your frame. I usually choose a bright green or blue. Now just save that image somewhere on your machine. Now switch to Camtasia and import your media files. So we're importing both the green image that we created and the image we want to use as our frame. Put the green image over the top of the frame and resize to the size you want your video to show. Now I like to add a border and drop shadow surrounding my videos, but that's entirely up to you. Now I want to save this frame as an image on your local machine, and to do that click Share and choose Export Frame As. This only works if you choose Share from the main menu, not from the green button in the right hand corner. Now we can remove these images from our project and open up our new image in Paint.net. Choose the magic wand and select the coloured area in the middle and press the delete key. This makes the middle bit transparent. Save your image and then you can import it into your media bin in Camtasia. To use it, just drag it onto a track above any of your videos. Resize and place the video accordingly. Notice now that if you add an animation to your video, such as zoom, the frame stays in place, obscuring parts of the video that are not required.